Good morning, class 6. I hope you are all fine. Today we are going to study SST. Okay, students, open your books. Chapter number 5, The Land and Agriculture in Pakistan and South Asia. In this chapter, we will study about land, composition and agriculture of South Asia. And students, so we will start from our country, Pakistan. Most of Pakistan has a warm or hot climate with fairly little rainfall. Nearly 60% of the country is dry or too mountainous to grow crops, where there is water either from rain or more usually from irrigation. Much of the soil needs large amount of fertilizer for better crop. Yes, students, Pakistan has a warm or hot climate with fairly little rain, and nearly 60% of our country is dry or mountainous. Snow is helpful for agricultural activities, and Pakistan has one of the best system of the canals and irrigation in the world. Now look at the chart carefully. The composition of land in Pakistan. This chart, students, tell us how the land is divided. 5% areas are covered with forest and 16% area covered with shrub and waste land. 37% area is covered by agricultural land and 42% area are covered by mountain and desert. Yes, next topic is irrigation. Pakistan is a fairly dry country. The rainfall itself is not enough to support goods agriculture. Fortunately, farming is saved by the wonderful system of irrigation which is based on the river Indus and its tributaries. Yes, students, irrigation means to give water and supply water to dry land. 3/4 of the farmland has to be irrigated to get good crops. In the past, the river flowed uncontrollably when snow melted in the mountains to the north and water rushed down to the plains, destroying thousands of homes and drowning many people. Today, huge dams have been built across deep valley in the north to hold back the water during flood time and to store it in huge lakes. The water is released steadily throughout the year to provide a constant supply. Even so, at the end of the dry season, the water does begin to run low in some areas. Further downstream, small dams and barrages have been built to further control the water. The water released from the dams flow from the river into the main canals, then into small canals, and finally into ditches between the fields. Yes, students, water is released throughout the year to the provinces according to their needs. But sometimes there is storage when there is less rainfall or snowfall. It also used to generate power, for example, bijli, electricity. The water from the river Indus and its tributary is distributed across the Punjab and Sindh according to the agricultural needs of each province. More water for irrigation is obtained from shallow well to reach underground supplies. Often, this is brought to the surface by Persian wheels. This is picture of Persian wheel. These are clay pots fastened to a belt which is powered by oxen walking in a circle. Yes, students, in some parts of Punjab, this system is still working. This system of irrigation required large well in which wheel is used, and the wheel is attached by oxen and cows to get the water out from the well. Then water is spread out the crops. Unfortunately, these shallow wells often dry up, and today more and more use is being made of true well. These are narrow, very deep wells, 200 meters or more, that are drilled by machinery to reach pure water sources deep underground. This water never dries out. It is pumped to the surface by an electric pump, which is one of the reasons the government is working hard to bring electricity to all of the villages. This is picture of a tube well. Thank you, students.